ebusiafo na ma bi wa waya na esre pa ye de bia me kase ope aban a onfa education ho na ka eka omo nkwanka education asɛn ka ya we e wo Ghana enka ye NDC kwan ya omo di teacher fo nam so kwan ya omo di students ankasa enam so no enye kora MPP kwan ya omo fa so omo di teachers e fa so ma teachers edi yie a enne NDC ba ya omo sɛn na emanyina na akofo ado e fa free SHS from 2017 to 2024 yan hwe nkola ne modern mo enkola ne modern ba wo mo boy to the point say na do koto past questions emma enkola no na NDC for kasa because NDC for any past questions ho mfaso omo nim past questions ho mfaso omo nim say past questions no questions are ya setting on 19 kojo 00 sa questions na ye repeat until obi a was study either wasi and I said BEC, you know, we be say the same questions, no more repeat this, Sample, say the same question, no more repeat here. Question na no. It was your past questions now. Past questions no wow. Emma wunya experience. Emma wunu how over to me answer questions. It was schools be our Ghana ha. Omone there. Chief examiners report no and no base on no more the actual omunkola there. Past questions and no more the actual omunkola there. Ka obetumi a ka wonkola edu final year say J3 ana SS3 no omo final year no the best material we say we use to the children kola na de no past questions past questions because past questions no chira wo kwanya ye fa so a ye answer questions chira wo how various topics are we benya questions every mu na tumi aboa nkola na mankola na pass eno ne nimdie ne nyansa na MPP for eyisu so NDC for buy no omo ehunu sa nyansa no ene omo gina social media yi so omo gina TikTok yi so kase apo very saying past questions apo da be na past questions be ye apo NDC for munsuade na past question enya apo da be na past questions ebe ya apo di na ye ka no bon omabombon ka won mo ya ka won ko gina ba bi embe ka se past questions ya apo na do atop past questions amankola nti no wa mo apo the patch we dey free recommendation obi biara obe chance on this video no mo share enkoma schools any omo proprietors omo matititi schools say omo kola ni do final year omo top past questions man kola no no mo man kola ni sua past questions ne nko a no mo sua past questions na omo betwa omo nose ne kura na ma twere no 19 kojo ni na mo fa nose ne nto na they should deal with past questions. He said it is only past questions na bebo awo mo NDC munsua de NDC for munsua de na past questions enya po pe ye ka kire mo ya hwe nkola ne results na aba na we are one of the worst 2014 ABC as I repeat it NDC they don't have anything good for this country yensano yengiri that is all what NDC knows and that is all what they are about. Parents ye best right na ye kan ye no ye mo bi ye tumofo ye kasa bebre ye ba no bi aba comment section na say no abedi atem afi de mu hunu the true colors of the so-called NDC party. Mu hunu omo they be am say the worst is going to come.
All right, Abushafo, it's a munim say this NDC government. Imagine say they want to collapse the free SHS before 2028. Because nyama na mu ye no. Say they want to collapse the free SHS before 2028. But no ma collapse no. A teacher for be ba abonting ene me video no see they had tried for 10 good months and I say 11 good months try 1 month try ka 1 month pe nko for much radio sometimes na ya ka NDC asema I say mu bebre no mu person beti ase me see this same NDC a teacher for tried a teacher for tried for 3 good years. Ochomuka 3 months. Omuchomuka 3 months. This MDC nana yek. And to say ye catch him say this NDC people are dangerous to this country. Na mu dream mu ntiase. Fa di papa bi ambao. Ba di bia MPP be ye bia ebe boa every single person, when they come to power, they try everything possible to collapse it. And no be, your friend is saying health insurance. President Kufuor health insurance buy no. So President Kufuor nti omuba di one premium ba e kire say one premium no tua one ukoye utua asa forever and ever no tua biom bisa hu ene bisa me no say ekosi sen President John Dramani Mahama in opposition 2024 ye kwa akoto aba na o ka kire Ghana for say free SHS na nye nti anka no oba or the private schools crab kan ene amene uka say private schools ahina President John Dramani Mahama di aka free SHS no ahi and President John Dramani Mahama di aka free SHS no ho ene me see government why a demonstration against free SHS over 40 something videos no against free SHS no and you people entrusted mumu di madwin emasa government we wadada mu aba a teacher for so ya catch mo and then mu teacher for ka mu pena mu nkasa because at the end of the day no they are degrading mu effort ejuma mo aye ebu ankola no se na be nkola no be pass ejum you know sisi ye ka kire mo se mo ankyira ade ne yi me see the government deliberately no omu twa nkofo bebrem half how can you tell us say half of the nkola na omu kotena se tourism no omu nyina na efeli ye they don't have the money to found it's policy now see first year university free tuition omu to me. And they don't know how. Nana do danko akufo any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebre this free SHS and buy into my journey said they want to collapse it. Nah, Ghana for the see ya na yepen. See ya na yepen.
Umu abreya so 2014 nenkola ekwatwe waxia about 70% failure. Our vice president was the education minister then. Eno masa babiu eno makotwe nsohwe na about 51%.
Asa fili
emu ya o
omuntumi continue omu enimu ho
omuntumi
nti oso omu try fail wo mu
na ye free SHS na ebe ye no we dey hu we I have a gentleman I've been engaging from 2022 and I'm getting convinced about common midi. Election 2024, beyond 2024, and a Niema Ebe Kosono. I was say Ubia Yem Shishinema Ghana.
Ade.
So Biaman Yem Shishinema Ghana.
Hey, Sambenia.
Where buy a tone of 2024. Nanya Ghana for Abo. There were a lot of people and other organizations are no more interest to them. A lot. Now a fee and umbe activate your interest no.
Okay.
What they want to happen in Ghana. Now I know by yes.
Hey, they are all for an amateur.
No be yes, free SHS lady. Massa. Say ya mom pioneer me any anya dia nkasa amfa ho.
Condemn.
I will do government now. We should forget it.
And they say can be trim.
It'll be at 2028 in India.
Hey,
I tell you. Say no humpa when in ye okon no so we do bampu abeko.
Hey, Ghana.
And somebody be a no shit. But I think there was some shall say di hunkomo. There is a society that is called STS.
Hey,
the role we play in our 2024 elections. Investment to make you a come the room. Now me catch them some 400 million be baba Ghana. Yeah, baba yan say e be wicked and people no. Because they think the MPP in government does not serve their interest. Says it can be by in 2024 election no. Abeboa will be.
Ebi adi ka bampu. Wo.
Anohye brutal.
Hey.
The free SHS ne de Joe.
Enyina ye.
Joe.
Hey.
Asem no. The Oba Street this was an your free Asem na team legal wife versus team side chick. Now Obi, I think say adie is in here Reverend Akasa Bebre, but I want to take it from the angle say we say ya disua adie mo obia. Especially Mranti ayen ware titiri ne samia ye.
Yes.
I feel person or ware no. Ono na wa start boa no ho. Me de me mpina kura me ni bi ntimi here. Intino Obi a very serious matter.
Yes.
Ghana hano Obi a lawyer peninti we de obeboa me. Ghana hano person ware obetima ware under 3 main ways. Customary marriage, ordinance marriage, and Islamic marriage.
Yes.
But usually in Islamic marriage, na some ancient endorsement, litigation endorsement. Baby and some one year customary and ordinance.
And no crown with Islamic, then I think what is emerging, no, I was said, Nipa Bibrina, and it said Islamic marriages have to be registered.
Registered, absolutely.
And one thing from research, Dennis Law,
right.
You know,
Right.
Bare 90% of Islamic marriages are not registered. On paper, you would think say worry.
Yeah.
But say a kununi free.
Yeah.
Na a japadia hon samo ba.
The validity of the marriage will be under contention. Correct.
And based on that, now Shana Nyome ye due no wenya. It addition and then also registration for the man difficult. Say the law is clear. Say Nipe also a registration here the Metropolitan Municipal or District Chief Executive.
Right.
Interestingly, no Okwa assemblies now. This is the ground now where say also more registration in for Islamic marriages.
Right.
It's a big issue. A home common or say a pet time they
but obviously the interesting thing is that usually in the same kind, I know some a free hub and I endorse.
Sure.
Because I say omankasa wo internal mechanisms are
they
resolve in some sir. But you see, customary marriage and ordinance marriage, you know, are very simple. But I want to say a different. See, a warrior under customary, or your banner bema be warrior under customary law. Not just say, or yeah, a warrior a fear dear, or bema no who coins or worry become.
Sure.
In law, no, a say customary marriage is polygamous. Bema need to me worry me no me and say 9. But ordinance, you know, say. Ordinance no see wo 3 ways. Obi is usually na e binim e fa ne say okoye fie die engagement customary die no okwa sorry na sofu hira so mo a na kire say waye ordinance ne so enya adwuma sa okoye wedding raw sa na wedding raw in the raw sense of wedding say yakwa sorry people we are exchanging vows sofu hira enya legally recognized.
Ordinance, yes.
The wedding is not ordinance marriage. Ordinance marriage near women, so cap 127 ambrana. The dikan ye dia marriage by a registrar. Say what call registrar general's department and I say MC of municipal assemblies, you know. What sign. Oko sign and then a marriage under ordinance.
Yes.
The first one. The second one here marriage by a minister. And then a binum loosely a friend wedding, no? But marriage by a minister, no. The most important thing is was a minister near recognized,
gazetted.
Aside or you gazetted, and also your processes. I know you be announced 3 times. So sorry you say Obi any ababa we be worried. No Obi wo e ho asem kan na. Enya wedding day ni yes ade no. Sa wedding day no ko yes ade no sa wedding day na ya grobi na odi.
And then so sorry ntia say sa announcement should be done 3 times.
3 times.
The law is clear.
Yes.
We are the 2
what
sorry. Yeah. On the 3rd time, you can say the chatwa.
Yes.
Yen kabim. It is a woofy so was some can. And they are become. Other than that, no.
Forever hold your peace. But you see, Obi, the same way, no. Usually it happens in the established and orthodox churches. Structures near Juma. Structures near Juma. omo nkrofo e wa sorry ni ma omo guide sorry na affairs but obi wedding bebre amakọ na on the wedding day ni baby say obi wo bibi ka be can sisi and forever hold your peace just na ye hwe wo Nigeria film no me pa cho say de na fam bra de bia no enyembra kwanso
and based on that thing no sanyoma lawyer everybody say wa anya marriage no
anya valid
and you think so we dey say we dey anya bibia and is a wonim so na be emphasis oh yeah sorry oh pastor also be shira ware ni so no waka traffic mo ntimi medui presiding now that was
almost there be
anya valid marriage
oh yes na say Asem na say kokota the validity of the marriage can be contested enti no say o kwa so ya ma ya ko shira so no
yes
and also no the processes da ho enu bu ba ko peso awaso betima ye she sofo na obeshira ware no so no so ye sofo a ya register no registrar general embra no agini tum say we ye software also anya software bia netimi hira ware so enti wa sorry na wo kono kra no wo ko ware wa sorry asan wa sorry a wo se otimi bisa ehu se software no owo emran krata na se abanya register na se ya gazette ne se otimi ehira ware because ya gazette wa ni ama marriage register eti register no ti se na obekwa ko sign wo registrar general na say assembly no sorry the same thing na no so sofu ni hira so a in fact sofu ni hira so wie ya no akwa sign aba because eno na the most important thing we wedding ni niemu but obi you see the trick here is that binim pi wo hon nkofo pi wo no a omadwene se omokoye efie de no omokọ asori ni ekohira so eno ano no okoye ne say wa wire under customary law bema need to be worry be kan ho because there isn't any valid ordinance marriage ena obi embrano so kire se okoye ordinance marriage
oye fie de awia now say o kwa sorry dem akohira so no kwa
e was sign the signing should
sign and just sign the keke process na obi can announcement 3 times na dia say anya was why
ye ka gazette ni but apart from soft no be strat so ye gazette no
the church itself
sorry dining so we ye wedding no and no na want me sorry guy me dem who gardens be how me say me kwa me wedding one day come was
in fact no so wo ho
and so one man that
so mama ye hwem yi sorry no gazetted
yes
also for penini gazetted
yes
nemum officiating ne de
yes
also for to me officiating but what happened is say ba say omo ko sign
yes
documentation also penina wa gazetted
and also
it is a woko na say also for penini ni ho a and nche say so for bi ntimi officiating
but so for no be officiated should be a gazetted
minister
of course
but signing no there because of penini da no
yes
on abushafo no sign wi a or endorse
yes I get it but the to simplify it no software be obe bless ya ware no so no e was so
you see the essence of the officiating minister means that
a big problem
issues bar
and big problem
so you be as na person sign krata
oh there be something that you chere move from
the
yes
e me shira so ma no
yes
o shira so wi a onye na dwen
say and your customary
and na aye customary
entina make say won say engofo pi won mo madwen say
the customary in the enko ba bia
there be enko ba yes that no be man be ma worry bia
signing bia ni
oh there be any the sign there has to be consent between the two families drinks near there no but obi didn't make say ni say won say engofo pi won mo person mo ye ordinance marriage
yes
but mo ko ye engagement ni wie ni ye ba sorry ni hira so o mo ni so mo ye ordinance and then na me pa kire say sa wedding na ye can loosely no in Bremen it doesn't exist it doesn't exist
and I me pacho among for some tears yes for customary law marriage no so ye wo mu mienu in the formal and informal formal na ye de abusua mienu den san akọ na abusua na tenase
there's been a proper
obi a oba ni be mani obi age atom ya ware ye train science that's formal customary marriage
correct
and you informal
good
informal na ye somehow constructive it be a oni oba ne te mon ware ba won na wo and what presenting it to the whole world say we yiri nie the law recognizes that as a form of customary
and I so no for instance o san ye nyoma ekunu ya for instance oba ne ma mi wu ye wakwa ye insiye ne sa nyoma no
ebo akohoma
ne even though unware
no oni ni cohabit
by the law
society no bi anim say mutibo me no ne inform no so law ne